Alright, my name is Igbinedion Johnson, Processing Officer 3, ICT Unit, Igbinedion University, Okada. I am one of the participants of the Train the Trainer CISCO Academy, which started here in Igbinedion University on Tuesday, and by the grace of God is rounding up today, which is Saturday. My experience so far about the CISCO Train the Trainers Academy has been wonderful. We've been exposed to a lot of technologies that's related to networking, some of which is routing, configuration of routers, configuration of switches, and so many other technologies, the workings of internet protocol, which is the IP. It has really been a wonderful time here, and we've really learned a lot. And sincerely, I want to express my gratitude to the management of Igbinedion University, which is under the watch of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Lawrence Ezmoye. I want to say thank you very much for this great opportunity to participate in this wonderful training, and I hope this training will take us to greater heights. And I want to wish the school well. I want to wish the Vice Chancellor a good reign in Igbinedion University.
My name is Emmanuel Salami. I'm a system analyst in Igbinedion University, and I was co-opted to be part of this training, CISCO training, and it has been a very wonderful training all through. From the beginning, for the past 1 week, we have been going through the training. The training has helped me a lot in many ways, helped me to broaden my understanding on networking, and also on how to do proper configuration of a network, of an enterprise network that will be able to communicate, and the other people can also gain internet access through. So throughout this training, I can say really it has been of great help to me. I just want to use this opportunity to thank the Vice Chancellor that made this training opportunity available for us, the staffs, to get the training. And I hope to use the knowledge I've had here from this training to impact also to other students in the...
Dr. Mrs. Yawa Machiring from Electrical and Computer Engineering, College of Engineering. This program is a very good one for us. We are happy to know that VC is quite interested in us improving. So I have learned so many things. I have been able to come across some of the things I already know before, but at least not in its detail or so much clarification. Very important. So I'm happy. I'm thanking the management. They are trying, at least comparatively to the past management, this is the first impression I've had over the years I'm working here. So I'm very, very happy.
My name is Engineer Dr. Mrs. Kingsley Omoibo Queenet. I am from the Department of Mechanical Engineering. I am here for the CISCO training that has been organized for staff and as well the students of Igbinedion University, Okada. It started 25th of April, which was on a Tuesday, and it's ending today, 27th of April, which is a Saturday. We're all here to know all about CISCO from start to finish, and it's in modules, module 1, module 2, module 3, 4, 5, and it's in chapters as well. Module 1 has chapter 1 to 11, and we all had to go through all these rigors, and we're good, which is good. Our instructor, Engineer Daniel, has been so wonderful, so instrumental, with so much resilience, so much stamina. He's been there from 8 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening, and it's been a very rigorous training. I bet you we've really grabbed a lot. We have all come from different departments. Like I said, engineering, physics, nursing. There's even a theater arts lecturer here from beginning to the end. She's been doing so well. So it's not really that you have to know all the mathematics in the world. It's logical. It's all about reasoning, quantitative reasoning, and then following up the instructions of the teacher. So we want to say a very big thank you to our Vice Chancellor, who has brought this wonderful and laudable training to our doorstep free of charge. Read my lips, free of charge. We didn't pay anything to do this training, and we're getting so much from it. And we're going to go back, not just training and relax, no, train the trainer. We'll go back now and train our students, subsequent students, year in, year out on CISCO. And then every engineering student and every other department that came to grab from this training, we be able to transfer this knowledge we've gained to their students, and then IUO will be a digital university, a smart university, which is what we actually are aiming at. Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I hope that you have gotten from this video that CISCO is a training we all need to be able to do our networking and then teach our students, most especially those science inclined students, so that they can be able to network and then do the right things all the time, because this is now Internet of Things, and then CISCO has brought it to our doorstep. Thank you so much, Igbinedion University, Okada, our Vice Chancellor. Thank you. All the participants have been so wonderful and participatory. We've been so all ears listening to our teacher. You can imagine staff becoming students. It's been very wonderful. And then lastly, I want to say that our ICT group, Tochukwu and all of them, thank you so much. God bless all of you. Tochukwu is the one videoing me now. God bless you. And to all our ICT staff, most especially the director, laudable, beautiful. That's so good. They've been all here to make sure that this training comes to a fruition and a beautiful one. Thank you so much. Then there are some of our participants that have done so well. There's one of us that came with a baby. The baby is right here. She's been here with the baby from the beginning to the end. That's to tell you the zeal that we all put in to learn this CISCO. Yes, we have all been all heads up to learn this CISCO, and we have done so well, so far so good. Thank you so much, Igbinedion University. Thank you all to all the staff that participated, even our students, our ever ready students, authentic Igbinedion University students. They were all here to participate, to be a part of this training as well. Thank you so much. Thank you.